You can get it by that, right? So you can run one command at the same time. Now that's an A. Here, let's double check something here. Let's double check something. You remember when we run the command, we need to figure out if it's still working or not, or it's already done and what? Yes, you're right. Minus u r sham 001. Now looks like it's still running over here. You have 124, the 25, 39, and all these around is still working here. So this didn't finish yet, so they're still in process. Example here, if I found out I did a mistake, I did error, I need to stop one of this barrel processing here. How I can do that? Using the command qdel space. Do you see the job number over here? You write down 112.439 will kill it. This will kill your process. So if you look at, if you need to double check, is already, now it's already down by 1. If I did no mistakes and I need to kill the program, use the command qdel. One of the other things also here, okay. Thank you. Now if here I need to double check again how many is using now, so it's already down by 1, so the one is already free, so I can use it later on in the future. Now if you get back here, let's do it by a different way. It's much faster. If you get down here, sometimes if this happens, all what you need to do, kill the session and open another one again. If the connection is bad or you have a wireless connection, usually it's happening with a wireless connection. Sometimes you have to wait until it's already kick up. Sometimes because you are working with the two different operating system here. Any question here? This will help for explaining more. Is anyone here ready to start ahead for using the Unix command and how we can get the system and what the software you need? Anyone has a question? If no one has a question, I will have a question. How I can understand is not working? Killing the job. Okay, example here.
You send the command and it's running and you don't know whether or not it's running. How do you know it's not running?
It's not running. That's why here. Let's go back here. First. Do you see here the qdel 112.439? That's the kill job number. Now after that I need to double check it's already okay, I killed the job number if I found I did a mistake and I need to fix it again, and I need to modify what I done, and or I found out it's running in a loop, it's not getting me any results. That's why you need to kill it and you need to trace your job. Why is doing that? Sometimes you get to this point. That's why they have a command here to kill the job. Yes, you need to kill it on purpose.
But if you have a command running on that operating system, Unix, and it doesn't create anything, it doesn't do anything. I understand. And how do you kill it? I mean, the way you kill it.
That's for my. If it's my software, my commands, yes, will kill it. If it's running for other people, no, I can't.
I understand. But if you upload your program, your code, and it's running, but you don't know whether or not it's giving you output.
Yes, what you do here, you go back. Yes, it doesn't mean nothing. Yes, yes, you check the output file and you look at it, and you can read it. If there is no output, it's still the same size, is not changeable. So you count it's something running wrong. You need to kill. That's why you need to kill it. You don't wanna like assuming everything's running okay, and you have to wait forever. Any other question? Go ahead.
It might sound a little bit weird, but
Which one?
how would I use it? Why would I use it? Like, I understand you got a lot of data coming out from MATLAB. You
Yes.
want to run it in a very powerful computation tool.
Mhm.
That's how you use it.
Mhm.
So can it run stuff other than MATLAB? So it's
Yes. C language.
C language.
Yes. C language. It depends on the license the ODU has. ODU has few license for a few software. They have to buy specifically for the clusters. It's not like a normal software we have it for our computer, for our laptop. You have to have a special one running in multi-cluster, especially with the Sun grid. It's Sun microsystem software, so you have something to manipulate or working underneath this interface. That's why I'm using that. Example here, I will talk a little bit about my job when I'm done through the MATLAB. If I took the MATLAB, the software I have it right now, with the code I'm running on my personal laptop, it's like Core ODU 2, okay, high speed, last things in the market and all that. It will take at least from me between 4 to 8 months. I can do all that with the cluster within 1 week. Yes, you buy the time. If right now I already got my PhD, if I wait to finish that through my laptop, of course I will finish my PhD for the next or 2 years. Yes, because what's happening here, you need to have factors. When you're running your programs, assuming you can have an error, you need to trace it. Tracing is not an easy sample things. Okay, plus you need to modify your codes. You're not assuming you are 100% correct. You are close to 100%. You can be 97%, 99%, but you're not 100%. You can have an error. Plus, if you're running this code in your laptop and you already have the error down the road, is not at the beginning, so you have to wait for maybe a longer time. Once you get the error at the end, you're gonna assume, so you have to repeat all the operation again. Don't get to that because I have been running 2 computers actually in my home. I have a desktop computer and I have my laptop. They are all fast. So I was running half of the program on my laptop and I have the other half in my other computer actually. And I was waiting to get the data. It takes a while. Once I get to the really using the clusters and I started reading a lot about that and how I can get all this knowledge, plus really I get my foot to the road and I get up to the speed to get everything done for all these softwares I need. And also there is OCCS, there is people there, they help you a lot. What you need to set up anything you need.
How reliable is it? Like, let's say you're running your model or something for like a day, and I've seen a lot of disconnection here. So, will it disconnect while you're running something? You come up next day to check the results, and it has been
No, that's why you have the QSub. The QSub command, the unique things and the pretty things about the QSub, it is you run the command and you can shut off all your Unix and you get out. So you don't want to hold your connection with the clusters. Example here. Let's do it by this way. Here, mine is still running. Of course, it's gonna be running for a while. It takes a while because I have so many processing there doing it and overlapping what's going on. Okay. Now this is still running right now, right? If I already exit the program, anyway. Okay, there's a jobs. Now I already exit the programs. I already canceled that and I already closed that. And I already quit here. You will close the session? Yes. It's already closed now. So I'm not connected any longer there. It's running in the background there. So it's offline running, so I don't have to worry about it. It's already processing there. Now I need to get back. That's one of the major things. That's really good questions. People ask me about this a lot. Now if I need to get back, now I have it already running here. That's my background here. That's not there. I can close it. I'm already off everything from there. I'm not even connected to the clusters, to the Wilbur.